Hey, it's Ryan Cavino with Northeast Realty Partners and RyanCavinoRealEstate.com, bringing you the Cambridge, Mass. Single-family market update for the week ending July the 20th. We got one new listing. Let's take a look at it. 36 Irving Street, 36-1 Irving Street. So maybe it's an attached single-family, and it is. Originally built in the 70s, but it has a contemporary design which I can most certainly agree with, and it does look like it's pretty high end as well with the finished work and the stuff that they've done to this property. A couple went under agreement, one for $889 and one for $1.495, 92 and 103 days respectively. This is an attached single family as well, obviously brand new, a renovation that's really gorgeous. And then we got one right in Harvard Square. It's a detached single-family home that has some nice updates to it. 2,200 square feet can fetch you $1.5 million in Harvard Square. Now we have some big boys over on 48 Mount Pleasant Street. 1.1925 is a Victorian. That's 2,400 square feet. This one's well kept as well. It's between Upland and Walden over on Avon Hill. And we got another one in West Cambridge for 1.6 that took about, let's see here, just about 105 days, and this is a really nice immaculate Victorian that has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and quite a bit of square feet. To take the cake though this week is 15 Grosier, and look at this. The former house of JFK's personal physician. This is really done over nicely, really well done, and been on for 119 days and took about just about $200,000 less than the asking price, and it's really gorgeous. Beautiful home. Let's throw in all of the active single families though and see where the averages. See what the averages break down to. So the average asking price for a Cambridge single family is $1.26 million and taken just over 3 months. Now the under agreements are 1.1 at 19, so a little less, but almost exactly to the day amount of time. So right around that 1.2 price point is taking about 97 days to go under agreement. The solds average almost 2 million and take less than that, surprisingly, at 84 days. So the solds this week, even though priced higher, it went quicker. Now let's take a look at the condos. A lot went on here. We got a 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom over Museum Way. Unit 608, sitting facing South Tower. It's about 663 square feet, 369, and does have valet parking. There's a lot of amenities over there. And now the 2-bedroom is on for $499, $130,000 more. This might have been on for just 1 day. Lots went under agreement. We had 14 go under agreement, and then 26 sold this week. Wow. The average asking price, or the average under agreement price, is $529 and take just over 2 months. And the solds, they average out to be $418 and take just over 3 months. So conversely, the average under agreement price of $528 has a lower market time of 66 days, and the solds are a little bit less than that, 110,000 less than that, and took about a month longer this week. But what a busy week here for the solds. Look at all of them, all the way up to 976 over at 16 Maple Ave. This might be an attached single family. Nope, just a condo. And one of the most popular streets went pretty quickly, or it went pretty close to their price tag, just 20 grand less in 25 days, which is fantastic. Let's see how we're doing in the multifamily department. I'm sorry, let's go back to the condo. No, back to the multi. And we get 7 properties that are either new or under agreement or sold. 5th Street, which is over in East Cambridge by the Cambridgeport area. It's just a 2-family with its own driveway, a little yard, on for $519. A couple sold all the way up to $1.335. This one's, I believe, a 4-family. That came on the market for $1.14 and then sold for $1.335. 4-family over on Dana Street went for over $200,000 higher than the asking price in a, let's see the time frame here, 35 days. So let's take a look at all the multifamilies here. It's 30. The average asking price for a multi is $931 and taken, ooh, Jesus, just under 5 months. The under agreements this week average out to be 1.249, a higher price point, and under 2 months in days on market. And then the sold for $838 with the days on market just over 2 months. So we're all over the board here. There's no real consistent pattern, which is okay. It's just something to be noted in the multifamily market this week. So there is the Cambridge. Stay tuned for the short sale and bank owned.